Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about solar system. This is our solar system. Sun. Sun is the center of our solar system. Sun is the center of our solar system. It is largest body in our solar system. Sun is the largest body in our solar system. 8 planets follow paths around the sun called orbit around the sun. These 8 planets follow the path called orbit around the sun. These 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the 8 planets of our solar system, and Sun is the center of our solar system. Sun. Sun is much hotter than any of 8 planets. The Sun is a star. Sun is a star, and it is closest star to the Earth. The Sun is the only object in our solar system to shine with its own light. The Sun is the only object in our solar system. It shine with its own light. It shine with its own light. Sun gives us heat, light, and energy. It helps us to grow crops. Sun gives us heat, light, and energy. It helps us to grow crops. Now we'll see about the 8 planets. First, Mercury. Mercury is the first planet or first planet of solar system, or you can say the closest planet to the sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. You can see in this picture, Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Mercury gets very hot. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is the closest planet to the sun. It is the one of the closest planet to the sun, and you can also say it's the hottest planet. It's the hottest planet. The third planet of our solar system is Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Earth has a hard and rocky planet. There are high mountains, valleys, and volcanoes. Earth is home for animals, humans, and planets. Because it has air to breathe and water, and is warm enough for us to live. It is because it has air to breathe and water. That's why living things can live on this planet. This is the only known planet. You can say it's known planet that their living things are exist. The fourth planet of our solar system is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. Mars can get cold. Mars is also called the red planet because of its red soil. Mars is called as a red planet. The next planet, the fifth planet from the sun is Jupiter, and Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. The sixth one is Saturn. The sixth planet is Saturn. The sixth planet from the sun is Saturn, and Saturn has rings in the solar system. It has the beautiful rings around it. The seventh planet is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. Uranus covered with clouds. The clouds look blue-green color. Uranus is covered with the clouds. The eighth planet is Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the sun. Neptune is the eighth planet from the sun. The clouds look blue color. These clouds look blue in color. These clouds look blue color. This is all about our solar system. Okay, this is about our solar system. Now we'll see some question and answers. Before that, we'll see about the directions. Okay, direction is also an important part. That sun help us in finding the direction. Sun help us in finding the direction. There are four main directions. There are four main directions. There are east, west, north, and south. These are the four main directions. Okay. The sun always rise in the east and sets in the west. Sun always rise in the east direction and sets in the west. East is in front of us. Okay. If you are facing east direction, east is in front of you, your west is at your back. West is at your back. You can see in the picture. If you stretch both your arms, if you stretch both your arm like this, the left hand will point towards the north. Your left hand will point toward the north direction. Points toward the north. And your right hand will point towards the south direction. The right hand will point toward the south direction. In this way, you can find the direction. In this way, you can find the direction. You can say the sun help us in finding direction. Okay. Now, we'll learn some question and answers. First question. Moon reflects the moon reflects the light from the tube light, stars, sun. So, the correct answer is sun. Moon reflects the light from the sun because moon not has its own light. Okay. Dash planet is nearest to the sun. Dash planet is nearest to the sun. So, Mercury planet is nearest to the sun. Next one. Dash planet is farthest from the sun. Venus, Earth, Neptune. You know that Neptune is the eighth and the farthest eighth planet of our solar system, and you can say it's the farthest from the sun. Which planet is called red planet? So the correct answer is Mars. Mars is called as a red planet. This is the largest planet of our solar system. Neptune, Jupiter, Mercury. The correct answer is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. Next one. Saturn planets looks reddish, grayish, yellowish. Saturn planet looks yellowish in color. Saturn planet looks yellowish color. Okay. Next question. Moon is natural satellite, planet or star? So you can say moon is a natural satellite. Next question. True or false? The first one. The sun gives us light during the day. True. Sun gives us light during the day. Moon has its own light. False. Moon has its own light. This sentence is false. Sun help us to grow crops for food. True. Sun help us to grow crops for food. The shape of sun is square. False. The shape of sun is square. This sentence is false. The sun rises in the north. False. You all know sun rises in the east direction. The fifth planet is Uranus. False. The fifth planet is Jupiter, not Uranus. Saturn planets has beautiful rings. True. Saturn planet has beautiful rings. The sun doesn't help to finding direction. False. The sun help us finding direction. The earth is covered by land and water. True. The earth is covered by land and water. The sentence is true. Next question, match the following. Center of the solar system, sun. Sun is the center of the solar system. Number of stars in the Milky Way, more than 100 billion. The planet known as a morning star or the evening star, it is Venus. The closest planet to the sun is Mercury. Satellite of the earth, moon is the satellite of the earth. The first person to set foot on the moon is Neil Armstrong. Farthest planet of the solar system is Neptune, eighth planet of solar system. Planet has most moons. Jupiter has the planet has the most moons. Red planet in the solar system is Mars. And seventh planet in the solar system is Uranus. Seventh planet is Uranus. Thank you.